Coming up in this episode.
And Bunny's special prize is a fixed shower. You need to.
I might put a screw in there.
Let me have a look.
Yeah, have a look.
Yeah, you have.
All right.
2, in fact. At the moment, I've got to get these 2 screws out the top, and then we can have a little look. Where's your screwdriver?
Isn't any such thing
you had
as
your
an
tools.
inappropriate screw.
Look at your tools.
What? No, I don't bring screwdrivers. I brought plumbing stuff.
Who knew?
Who knew? Just a screwdriver, it's fine. Oh no, you've rounded off the screws, my old mate. Yeah, I need a better screwdriver than that. What you got? These are too thick. Yeah. I need something that's going to bite it. Have you got a rubber band?
No.
Here we go. This one's all right. That's a good little trick. Whenever you round the screw off, if you've got an elastic band, push the elastic band on the front of the screwdriver, put it in there.
Oh, put it off.
Little screw up. Top tip for you there.
But I don't think just because I couldn't put it on properly, that was it.
No, it's got nothing to do with it. This is just the cover.
Right, this is what you've done, right? I have to take that off. Take that off, and there's a little thing in there that I replaced it with. It's actually in there. Because what was happening, right, let me explain what was happening. It was leaking from there as well.
Yeah,
and then it started leaking from here.
I think that's an overflow. That's an overflow pipe. I would have thought there would have been something on there.
Yeah, no.
Was there never anything on there?
No, I don't think so.
So essentially you switch it on and stuff's coming out of it.
And there.
And where? Right, okay. Right, switch it on then. And let's have a little look. See what we get.
I've turned it off the mains.
Electrics, yeah?
Now don't forget the cord as well.
Well, you don't need it if the electric's off. It won't work.
Put it on. I mean, it might not switch on.
Well, it won't if it needs power to it.
Hey?
Does all the functionality work?
I can't hear you.
Okay, we've got some heavy duty wires going in here. God, that's a big line. Look at those. Those cables, they're well thick. Water comes in, goes in there.
Right, it's on.
I probably need someone to hold it so it doesn't spray me in the face. Ah, right, so okay. Yeah, this one looks alright, this little bit.
Yeah.
It's here. That's your main problem.
Don't touch it with it.
No, I'm not. Yeah, alright now, so I'm not going to kill myself, don't worry.
Not
yeah.
my watch, you're not.
So we need to dismantle all of this and see there's a washer or something inside that that must have malfunctioned or broken.
Right, I'll switch it off.
Yeah, switch it off. I suspect it's just some sort of washer inside this. Oh, some sort of washer inside this here. Okay, let's go for it. So I've unscrewed this. This here. I'm taking this out. And when I look at it, that washer looks a bit misplaced. A little bit warped. It could be just this. It could be just this isn't seated properly. We don't seem to have a tap we can isolate off. Let's turn the water supply off, which is annoying. So I've disconnected. Let's zoom out. Disconnected the live and neutral out of this solenoid. This solenoid controls the flow of water, and the leak is coming from here before it gets to the solenoid. So even if the solenoid is refusing to open, there's no reason water should leak out of here unless the washer has failed, which I believe to be the problem. So let's get the solenoid off and have a look at that. So I've shut off the water supply, the main supply in. I'm going to undo this, and then hopefully this will pop it out. But I haven't got a lot of play here to unscrew. We will have to see what happens. Here we go. Yeah, as I suspected, I'm at the full capacity there and I'm not getting any play. So I'm going to unscrew the screw in there and in there, and hopefully this whole block will move. Well, as you can see, I've got it off. I'm leaving this dangling at the moment. I've taken out this piece, the piece that was in there. had a look down here and I can't see any issues at all with this connection. What I have noticed though is this ring here is sat on top of the lip. I don't know if you can see that, but I think it needs to be down on the next layer down. You see that? I mean, it fits perfectly around there, but I think it needs to go on a bit lower down there. Could well be the solenoid. And then there's this piece as well that goes in the centre there, but this wasn't leaking. So it's all stems to this solenoid. Okay, so I think I found the issue. That's the washer from the lower section, that's the washer from the upper section. As you can see, it's been flattened out and it's actually been broken. So, I did hear somewhere that you could put it in a cup of boiling water to revitalise. So, kettles fill up, pop that in there. Oh, off the floor. Pop that one in there. Leave them for a few minutes. Here you go. This top one, it's totally wrecked. It didn't work. I tried to put it in the hot water to repair it, bring it back to life. It's totally knackered. Look. I've only got to look at the round one compared to it. So that's that. But my sister-in-law had a really small round one, which I've managed to stretch over this lip. So now that actually fits inside this perfectly. And when it goes in, you can feel how tense it is.
You okay then, mate?
Oh yeah.
Don't suppose you need a hand at all or anything like that, yeah?
No, I'm good, thanks, mate.
You too.
So there's only just one of us getting killed from the electrics there. Hurrah! We're in. In with the new washer in there. In with the new washer in there. Let's tighten the screws up, get it back up and see if I've made it worse. What's next? Put it in the comments, what do you reckon? Fix or fail or bodge? Firm, secure. Firm, secure. Firm, secure. Firm, secure. Firm, secure. 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 Oh dear, I forgot to put this bit back in. Forgot to put this bit back in. I'll get on with it now. Every time I lift this plastic piping for the electrics, which whoever done this has done a terrible job, incidentally, keeps creaking and it sounds like an electric spark, which is making me just a little paranoid every time I touch anything. Even though I know the electric's off, it doesn't stop me being paranoid. Unfortunately, I don't remember which way this goes back in. There's 3 possible orientations because there's 3 screws. Now, I'm gonna have to watch the video back, I think. Oh, that's on. But no, it doesn't feel right. Okay, I'm gonna watch the video, I'll be back. In one. A selection of patio furniture to grace any garden. Oh. Into fondue set for this evening. Yes, it is bullseye. Well done. E3 video player that no one uses anymore.
E5.
And Bunny's special prize is a fixed shower. That's bloody awkward doing it one-handed. I've pulled the neutral out, so I'm going to have to bend that back in. Okay, let's turn this round, get it into a normal position. Next, PTFE tape around here. Okay, so that's on with the PTFE tape. Finger tight, I'm just about to tighten it up. Let's screw this to the wall next, and then we'll tighten this up. We're on the home straight. Careful because this is plastic. I don't want to over tighten and break it. I mean, that seems pretty good. Let's tuck that in behind there. Push that up there. Okay, so that's about as much as I can do, really. Make sure that is tight. Yeah, okay, right. I think we're ready for the switch on. Okay, so it's all back in. What I didn't show on camera was I had to dismantle it all again because it was just leaking even worse out there. I've cut my hands now. Even worse on that plastic bit. So I've swapped out that really tight little O-ring that I put on it that wasn't part of the shower, and I've put in that bent one that we found from up here, up there, which I've actually swapped them around because this is easier to access. So I've put that in there, and what I've done is I've put some mastic, some waterproof mastic on there, and I've pushed it up in and clamped it in place, and then I've tightened the pipe up, PTFE, that's all in, and that's, the water's on and it's holding. So now the next thing to do is to go and turn the electric on and see if it pumps out water and if it leaks. Wish me luck. Okay, the electric's back on the fuse board. Oh. Okay. And there it is. Turn that up. Fast. Slow. Cool. Job's a good one. Jag.
Everything is going extremely well.
Just got to put that back on now. And then I think I'll have a shower.
Bye-bye. Bye, have a great time. Okay, bye now.